beginners, so in this tutorial you will be learning how to create 360-degree effect in Photoshop. This particular technique comes under the advanced photo editing technique, so it has certain steps that you have to remember every time you're creating 360-degree effect. So basically in this technique we work with landscape images and we wrap that on the circumference of a circle. So our final output will kind of look like this. You can notice that the landscape image has been wrapped on the circumference of the circle, and the angle is 360 degree. When we had the previous picture, it was 180 degree, a flat surface. So there are a few steps that you have to keep in mind when you're creating this. I'll try my best to explain each and everything precisely so you will be able to create that too. First, you have to choose any landscape image which has some of the objects like buildings or maybe trees if it's a forest or something. So I chose this particular image and we're going to work with this. First, we will unlock our background image so that we can work with this, and we will make a clean copy of this image for backup, just like we always do. Next, we will go to image and we'll click image size. Here we have to make the width and height same. So let's put here 10 and also change the height to 10. So once we put the same value for width and height, press OK. Now your image will be converted like this. Next, you have to press Ctrl T for transformation and right click on that image. Then click on rotate 180 degree. Once you rotate this, press enter. Next step, go to filter, click on distort and then select polar coordinates. You'll get to see this box. So you can see our image is already converted and wrapped up. You can check a little bit if everything is alright or not. Then once you're satisfied with that, press OK. And yeah, this is how you can create 360-degree effect. Then if I want to increase the size, you can just transform it, press Ctrl T and you can just make it a little bigger and press enter. So yeah, this is how you can create the 360-degree effect, and you can wrap up your landscape image on the circumference of a circle. So to talk about the application of this particular design, this kind of technique is used in creative editing. For example, creative ideas be like, you can place an earth or planet over here and you can work with landscape forest images where you will be having trees and other things, and the earth or the planet will be surrounded by that landscape image. So the trees will be around here. So this is one of the examples of creative editing. So here in this process, I chose a landscape image of building. Our final output can be used in robot design even if this is created by buildings. So yeah, you can try this out too. It's really easy. Just follow the steps and you will be able to do that. Also, I'll be attaching some design materials, for example, the landscape images, in case you don't find the best pictures for yourself on Google. For this particular effect, I'm definitely not going to choose any portrait picture because that's not possible with this technique. So it's really important to choose your design material where you're going to work on. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the technique and I'll see you in the next tutorial.